Okay, so you see we have the first coat of red guard is on, and we're just cleaning it out to do the second. So this here is the new DANZE, or DANZE shower control valve, and it's going to have a handheld unit with it. So you see how the pipes used to come straight up through here, and there was a valve right there, an old Moen valve, but this new valve is a lot larger and there wasn't room for the pipes to go through the area, so we rerouted the pipes out, and then here is a 1/2 inch hot coming into the valve there, and over here is 1/2 inch cold coming into the valve there. And then these pipes continue on up to where the old upstairs bathroom was. So we maintained the plumbing for the upstairs bathroom just in case the next owner wants to reactivate it. And these pipes here are all done in L gauge copper so that they are extra tough. Okay. And just taking a quick look, there's nothing is burning or smoldering or anything. You always want to check and make sure that nothing is combustible on you. Okay. So tomorrow we have to put the outlet for the hand unit somewhere in this area so that it will hang down and come up to a shower spray. And then tomorrow Mitch and Jacob are going to come up and help us lift the about 400-pound cast iron tub into place. And then in 4 weeks, my new window will come in here, and it'll be an awning casement window that opens that way. Alright. And it has stainless steel mechanicals in it. Okay, so that is it. Going to put that second coat of red coat down and call it a day. Do you need more red coat?
I'll need more, but I thought I'd use what I got here too.
Yeah. Well, we can go ahead and I'll get you filled. Okay, so I'll load that roller up. Get that red guard on there. Okay. Sorry about that, Chief. Okay, so red guard, you put it on thick, and they want you to put on 3 coats. Okay, there we go. doing this one-handed here. Trying to remember to keep the camera on the subject instead of concentrating on the work and not the camera. See how that camera work goes all over the place? That is camera work. But work does take precedence over video work, because work pays and video work doesn't pay. That's for fun.
Yeah, that's going down pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on. So when you are rolling this, you just roll it and you don't push down. You just let the weight of the roller do it so that you get maximum red guard on the floor. 'Cause that's what you want, is a thick barrier.
You're putting on too thin.
Too thin. I'm the one who's hogging it on. What time is it anyway?
It's late. 5 minutes to 9. Well, quarter to 9.
Well, we got her done.
Well, that's the thing. We're ready to put a tub in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Our self-imposed deadline.
Yeah. Well, deadlines are good. They help you get shit done. Don't they?
Well, yeah. Well, the thing is that we got people coming.
Yeah.
And the deadline is because we got people coming to help us. We
Yeah.
got a piece of shit here, Jeff. We
What?
got it. Swept it out 3 times and it's still dirty.
It's probably on my
It's
shoes.
track end. Okay, looks like you got enough, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll put this thing in plastic in just a second when I'm sure you have enough. You want any more?
Yeah, just get a little bit more. Okay, you may remove it. Okay. So that is the last of our red guard for today. And then basically we got one more coat to put on in the morning before Mitch and Jacob get here. Okay. Yeah. All right, so there you go. That's the end of the red guard.
You got it. Okay, you got the front door locked?
Yeah.
I locked the basement door. Did you check it?